Let me show you how you can check in Excel if your stock is 100 bagger. So first thing you need to know is ticker symbol. So I will try it on Tesla. Now I will retrieve history of the stock price for Tesla. So I will use stock history function. I have stock here in A2. My start date can be, for example, if I consider last 100 years, it will be 1st January, let's put 1920, and I want it up to today. I don't need any other properties here. It will give me just a date and the close price, and that's, I think, what I need for checking if it's 100 bagger or not. So now I need to find out what was the minimum price of the stock. So I will use min function. So this is min price. Here will be max price. I will use max function. And now I can just calculate how many bagger it is. So bagger, and it's maximum price divided by minimum price. And I can see that Tesla is 389 bagger. Now I will also check for which date this price is valid. So I will use XLOOKUP. Look for this price in column V, and I want date. So in July 2010, the price was $3.16, and maximum price was on 4th November 2021. So if you invest $1,000 on 7 July 2010, you would have 389,000 on 4th November 2021. Now let's check some other companies that are even 1,000 baggers. So for example, Apple. It's 3,700 bagger if you purchased the stock in July 82. In January 2022, it was 3,706 times a higher price. Another company, let's check Microsoft. You can see again it's 3,800 bagger. And this way you can check any company you want. So let's show Monster. Which is 7,588 bagger in its history since 1995 to 2021. If you don't know the ticker of the company, you can just put here name. So let's say Adobe, which is another 1,000 bagger. And now you go to data, click on stocks. And here you can select your stock with the right ticker. And now it will recalculate everything. And that's it. Hope you like it.